Hello, and congratulations again on your new McBride home, and welcome to the McBride family. At McBride Homes, we are thrilled to offer you unparalleled customer service offerings, including access to our world-class Homeowner Portal. Buying a new home is one of the largest investments you will ever make, so this Homeowner Portal will give you the confidence and support you need throughout your new home journey. With your Homeowner Portal, you can review all of your documents pertaining to your new McBride home in one easy-to-navigate location. From paint colors and flooring selections, to HOA contact information and warranty request forms. Now you can easily log in from your computer or mobile phone to find important information and details about your McBride home. To access the portal, simply visit portal.mcbridehomes.com or click on the Homeowner Portal tab on the top right corner of the McBride Homes website. Enter in the email and password you set up with your new home sales consultant after you sign the purchase agreement on your new McBride home. As a reminder, the email is the primary buyer's email address. If you forgot your password, please click the Forgot Username and Password link. It may take 5 minutes or longer to receive an email, so please be patient. Once your username and password have been entered, click Login. Now you have entered the dashboard of your Homeowner Portal. Here you will see the tabs for Building Your Home, Getting to Know Your Home, Homeowners Association, and Customer Service. From your desktop computer, you will also be able to see the tab for My Account, where you can reset your password at any time. From the Dashboard tab, you can quickly and easily view your home information, including your community and lot number, your new home address, your closing date, model name, and warranty status. You can also view the contact information of your new home sales consultant. This contact information will switch over to our customer service team once you close on your new home. From your desktop computer, this information is also available at all times on the left side of the page. Under the Building Your Home tab, you will be able to check the building process of your new McBride home under the What's Next drop-down menu. It's fun to follow the check marks as you get closer to closing day. You can also view scheduled appointments. This includes upcoming and past appointments at our design studio or your closing day. Under the Documents drop-down, you can download a copy of your start sheet, which includes all of the color selections and finishes in your home. This start sheet is extremely helpful after closing in case you need to view your front door's color to purchase some paint for touch-ups, to view the color of your roof shingles or siding in case you need a patch or replace a piece after a hailstorm, or view your kitchen microwave model number when it's time to replace the filter. All of the color selections and finishes are included in the start sheet. Plus, it includes your personalized floor plan that you can reference at any time during the construction process. Please note the start sheet may take a few moments to download. Also, under this Documents drop-down, you can find a copy of your plot plan. This is very useful when you need to submit paperwork to your Homeowners Association for a new deck or fence. Finally, under the Building Your Home tab, you will find helpful links. This includes a quick roadmap of the McBride construction process, from your design studio appointments to closing day and beyond. You will also find a link to the design studio website where you can learn more about our world-class experience, browse the photo gallery, and take a virtual tour of the space. Under the Get to Know Your Home tab, you will find the homeowner video, which gives you an overview of the new home orientation meeting with your superintendent or builder just before you close on your new home. Under Homeowner Guides, you can download a copy of your warranty booklet or the McBride workbook. Please refer to these documents if you have any questions about what is under warranty in your new McBride home. The Homeowners Association tab provides your community's management company contact information. You can also find helpful documents pertaining to your community, including the CCR or CID if applicable. Under the Customer Service tab, you will be able to create your 2- and 10-month warranty requests. Please note these buttons will not activate until they meet the timeline requirements set forth by your closing date. For example, the 10-month warranty request cannot be submitted until 9 months after your closing date. To create a warranty request, select the appropriate warranty request button. To begin your list, please click the Add Item button and a pop-up window will appear. Add a title and a description of the service item requested. Make sure you note the room or area of the home in the description where service is needed. Click Add Item when completed. Once you have all of your items added to your list, click Submit Request. Please note you can only submit each service request once. Also, once your 2 and 10-month warranty service requests have been submitted, you will be able to see them under past service requests. Please note that the emergency service request hotline is only for extreme emergencies, like a broken lock that would cause a security issue, or a burst pipe that could cause hazardous conditions. As a reminder, please keep your McBride workbook handy for a quick reference, as it should address most of your questions as a new homeowner. Also, make sure to review your warranty booklet that explains which items are covered. Plus, you can see some additional tips on how to properly care for and maintain your home. Both of these documents are available for download under the Getting to Know Your Home tab. But remember, we're always here to help if you can't find the answer. Customer service and satisfaction are very important to us. We want you to be thoroughly satisfied with your new dream home and to fully understand your homeowner portal. Again, thank you for choosing McBride Homes, and please accept our best wishes to you for many years of joy and happiness in your new McBride home.